Hi friends, welcome to Think Maths. So in this session, we are going to discuss about Chapter 2 Polynomials, Exercise 2.2 of Class 10. So question number 2, find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. So the value of sum and product is given, we have to find the quadratic polynomial. So first sum 1 by 4 comma minus 1. So here the sum is 1 by 4 and the product is minus 1. So we are going to take alpha and beta as the zeros of the polynomial. Then we get alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4 and alpha beta is equal to minus 1. Okay. So there are two methods. So in the first method, we are going to use the formula. That is, the required polynomial will be of the form x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Okay. So if we substitute the values, we will get the equation. So x square minus alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is 1 by 4 into x. Alpha beta is minus 1. So we will equate to 0. So which will be equal to, here this is x square minus 1 and this is 1 divided by 1. So the LCM is 4. So we have to multiply here by 4. 4x square minus x minus 4. So which is equal to 0. So if we cross multiply, 4 into 0 will be 4. So the equation will be 4x square minus x minus 4. Okay, this is equal to 0. So this is the required polynomial. Here another method is, here the sum of the root is nothing but minus b by e. And product of the root is nothing but c by e. Okay. So from the first equation, we have minus b equal to 1. So this implies b is equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 4. Okay. So now we have to get the value of c. Okay. So here c is minus, c by a is minus 1. So here a is equal to 4. In order to get 4, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So minus 1 into 4 divided by 1 into 4. So which is equal to minus 4 by 4. So c by a means here c is equal to minus 4. So the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So if you substitute the equation, what is a? A is equal to 4. So 4x square. What is b? B is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into x is minus x. C is minus 4. So we got the same result in both the methods. Okay. So next problem. Root 2 comma 1 by 5. So in the same way, we'll take alpha plus beta be the zeros of the polynomial. Then alpha plus beta is equal to root 2. Alpha beta will be equal to 1 by 3. So required polynomial is given by the formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So if we substitute the values, x square minus alpha plus beta is root 2. Root 2x, alpha beta is 1 by 3. So if we equate to 0, we'll take LCM as 3. So 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1, which is equal to 0. So if we cross multiply, this 3 into 0 will be 0. So the equation will be 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So in the same way, we will find another method, that is, we can substitute the values of a, b, c in the quadratic formula. So root 2, this is equal to minus b by a. So that is equal to root 2 divided by 1. 1 by 3 is equal to c by a. So here a is equal to 1 or a is equal to 3. I take the greater value. A is equal to 3. So in order to get 3 here, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So we will get the answer as 3 root 2 divided by 3. So a is equal to 3 and minus b will be 3 root 2. So b is equal to minus 3 root 2 and c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. So the quadratic formula is ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is 3x square, b is minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Okay. So both are same in both the methods. So first method we use the formula. In the second method we found the values of a, b, c and substituted in the general quadratic form. Okay. Can you understand? So let me go to the next problem. 0 comma root 5. So first we will take the alpha and beta be the zeros of the polynomial. Then alpha plus beta is equal to 0 and this is product of the roots. So alpha beta is equal to root 5. Then the required polynomial will be of the form x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So x square alpha plus beta is 0. Alpha beta is root 5. Okay. So the required equation is 0 into x is 0. So x square plus root 5 equal to. So this is the required polynomial. So in the same way, this is equal to minus b by a. This is equal to c by a. So here 0 by 1, here root 5 by 1. So in the both the cases, a is equal to 1. So minus b is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. Here c is equal to root 5. So the general quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So a is equal to 1. So 1 into x square is x square. Here b is equal to 0x and c is equal to root 5. So x square plus root 5. So this is the required polynomial. Okay. So next problem. 1 comma 1. So alpha beta are the zeros. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Alpha beta is equal to 1. So required polynomial is, this is the polynomial we have to substitute. X square minus 1x plus 1. So the polynomial is x square minus x plus 1. So this is very easy. So in the same way, another method which is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Okay. So this means this is nothing but 1 divided by 1. This is also 1 divided by 1. So we get a is equal to 1. Sorry. A is equal to 1. B is equal to. So here minus b is equal to 1. So b is equal to minus 1. And from this c is equal to 1. So the polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So a is 1. So 1 into x square is x square. B is minus 1. So minus 1 into x is minus x plus c is equal to 1. So in both the methods we got the same answer. Okay. So let me go to the next problem. minus 1 by 4 comma 4. So alpha beta are the zeros. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 4. Alpha beta is equal to plus 1 by 4. So the polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta x. So if we substitute the values, x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4. So if we equate to 0, LCM will be 4. So we get 4x square minus into minus plus. So plus 1 into x is 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So if we cross multiply, 4 into 0 will be 0. Okay. So the answer will be 4x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So let me go to the next method. Just a minute, I will erase this line. So here alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is nothing but minus b by a. This is equal to c by a. Okay. So here a is equal to 4. In both the terms, we got the denominator as 4. So a will be equal to 4. Minus b is equal to minus 1. So b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. So if we substitute in the general form, ax square. So ax square means 4x square plus bx. So 1 into x is x plus c plus constant term c1. So same. Okay. So the next problem. 4 comma 1. So alpha beta are the roots, that is zeros of the polynomial. Alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Alpha beta is equal to 1. So the required polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta x. So x square minus alpha plus beta is 4. So 4x plus 1. So we got the answer directly. So let us check in another method. So this is nothing but minus b by a. This is equal to c by a. So 4 can be written as 4 divided by 1. So this can be written as 1 divided by 1. So in both the cases, a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1. So minus b is equal to 4. So b is equal to minus 4. C is equal to 1. So general polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So a is 1. 1 into x square is x square. B is minus 4. So minus 4x plus c is 1. So both are same. So you can do in any methods, whichever you find it easy. Okay. So thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, just share, like and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. Thank you for your support.